Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Accenture updated exam pattern 24. In the particular video, we will discuss about the updated pattern of Accenture and syllabus. So exam date is 28 October. I will share the free PDF material, free resources with all of you. Cognitive technical assessment, coding assessment, communication assessment, and then interview. Just see this. This is a free preparation series in which you will find the 40 technical MCQ question with complete paper solved, pseudo codes. Everything is like for free. Okay, you can check the complete drive. There are two drive link in which you will find 40 technical questions, 50 questions. Okay, cognitive 50 questions, Accenture first, second, third, fourth coding class. Okay, all the coding question, actual verbal ability, actual aptitude, everything is there. One shot coding. So we are sharing all the free preparation materials with all of you, and there are all the videos that is 5 months ago. This is for 2024 batch. If you want live session, okay, for your examination in the like we know that your examination on 28 October. If you want free prep video live sessions that is related to question, please mention in the comment section. Okay, so this is related to exam, this is related to interview. Let's discuss about the updated exam pattern and syllabus. So today we have introduction to session, how to start preparation, roles, salary, updated syllabus and pattern, Accenture exam and free interview preparation. So this is the timelines of selected candidates. The candidates are from 23 batch and this is a previous selection. Okay, candidate shared like because of your online learning channel, today I got onboarding mail for AAC role, that is a package app development associate. Okay, and thank you so much to online learning team and Lokesh sir who really helped me during my selection process and solved my all queries. And this is the recent selection of candidate 27 November 24. Bhaiya onboarding aa gayi Accenture se, thank you very much bhaiya, really thank you. So this is the selection of 2023 graduate recent candidate applied on August 27 2024 and she got the update of October 24, received a date of joining mail. Okay, candidate are applying for opportunity from last 1.5 year but there is no response, but she see the timelines of selected candidate, she try again and she apply for opportunity. So guys, don't lose hope and apply for opportunity on our channel. Okay, and crack the opportunity. This is the selected candidate experience, interview experience 24. Anushka selected. She is currently working at Accenture Gurgaon. So you can check the interview experience. Okay, that is very helpful. As we know that your examination is scheduled for PADA role. Okay, package app development associate, that is AAC. Okay, so most probably your salary is 4.60 or totally depends on Accenture team. Okay, so the Accenture hiring process consists of some parts. First is your registration. If you are eligible, you will receive the test update. Okay, that is an exam slot. Mock test is very important. I am requesting from all of you that do the mock test, that is one of the system check, and after that your first assessment will be there, cognitive and technical. After completing the cognitive and technical, after 5 to 10 minutes, okay, you will receive that you are shortlisted for second round or not. Okay, if you are shortlisted, on the same day you have to complete, on the same day same time you have to complete the assessment second, that is coding. After 5 to 10 days of waiting, there is a assessment, third communication assessment, and fourth round is interview, technical and HR interview. So this is the Accenture hiring process. Okay, let's discuss about the exam pattern and syllabus in detail. So your first assessment is cognitive and technical assessment, which have 90 minutes to complete. So there are two parts. Okay, cognitive and technical. Okay, the timing is same for both section, that is 90 minutes. In the cognitive part, you have 50 questions. What are the 50 questions? Like what are the topics for that? English ability, critical thinking and problem solving, and abstract reasoning. So total 50 questions will be there and you have 50 minutes of time. Okay, and in the technical assessment, which include 40 question of common application and MS Office, pseudo code, fundamental of network security and cloud. So 40 question will be there and 40 minutes of time. Okay, so the total time is 90 minutes and you have 50 question in cognitive section, 40 question in technical section. Okay, so your first assessment will be there. Cognitive and technical assessment result will be notified within 5 to 10 minutes of post completion. You are advised to remain seated and await result. Coding assessment will commence immediately post result notification. So पहला assessment complete किया, 5 से 10 मिनट वेट किया, immediately result आएगा and you will be move forward to coding assessment. Okay, you are required to meet the section and subsectional cutoff in our assessment to be considered for further round. Candidate must participate in coding assessment mandatorily post clearing the coding and cognitive and technical assessment. Okay, so sectional and subsectional cutoff will be there. If you cleared the first assessment, you will be move forward to you will be move forward to coding assessment. Okay, first is your cognitive assessment. Okay, cognitive, second is coding, then third is communication, and fourth is your interview. This is the process. So there is a coding assessment. The duration of coding assessment will be 45 minutes. You will get 2 coding question. C, C++, .NET, Java, Python will be there. Okay. Next is your assessment third, that is a communication assessment. The duration of this assessment is approximately 30 minutes. You will receive a separate email with timeline and login details to participate in the assessment. Sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency, pronunciation they will check, and your fourth final is your interview, that is a technical and HR interview. Okay, so this is the detailed process. So you will see cognitive and technical assessment. In the cognitive, English, critical thinking, problem solving and abstract reasoning are there. So English ability 17 question, critical reasoning or critical thinking 18 question, abstract reasoning 15 question. So 50 question, 50 minutes of time. In the technical question, 40 questions are there in the technical section. So common application MS Office 12 question, pseudocode 18 question, network security cloud 10 question. So 40 question, 40 minutes of time, and total time is 90 minutes. This is the detailed pattern. Let's discuss about the Accenture exam syllabus, that is very important. So English section will be there, sentence correction, preposition, grammar, reading comprehension, synonym, antonym, speech, tenses, article, sentence selection. In the critical thinking and problem solving, arrangement, blood relation, coding, decoding, analogies, logical sequence. In abstract reasoning, visual, flow chart, seating arrangement, directional sense question will be asked. Okay. Let's discuss about the technical assessment, which include 40 question, common application MS Office, pseudocode, and fundamental of network security and cloud. So this is MS Office syllabus, this is networking syllabus, this is cloud computing syllabus. If I'm talking about the pseudocodes, okay, so in the pseudocode, the code will be there and you have to choose the option. Option will be there first, second, third and fourth. Okay, like what is the error in the particular code, or how to find the output for that, what is the output for particular code. Okay, output based question will be asked in pseudocode. Okay, let's discuss about the Accenture syllabus of coding, in which array, matrix, okay, string, array, matrix, string, searching, sorting related topics will be asked. Flow condition, input, conditional looping, array, function, string, data type and operator. 2 coding question will be there and 45 minutes of time. Okay, the one most important point that I have to mention, okay, you have to solve more and more previous year question for the coding assessment. Okay, you can solve the previous year question, that is also available on the YouTube, and on our channel we already uploaded lot of videos for coding, so you can check that. Next is your communication assessment, that is of 30 minutes, and this section will check your spoken English ability, sentence mastery, fluency, vocabulary and pronunciation. Okay, so reading, repeating sentence, question and answer, sentence building, story retelling, speaking, open questions will be there, and these are the number of question. Okay, so like fourth is your Accenture interview, which contains technical and HR. Technical will be related to knowledge of computer science related subject like OS, DBMS, computer network. They will ask about yourself, resume, skill set, branch related question, project, internship, certification, exam experience, HR question and confidence. They will check the confidence. Okay, guys, one most important point that I have to mention, Accenture follow the overall process of your exam and interview. Okay, they will check the cognitive performance, they will check the coding performance, they will check the communication assessment performance, they will check the interview performance, overall performance, and after that your final selection will be there. Okay, so you have to perform very well in the examination. This is the free resources for Accenture examination in the English ability, face prep, India Bix website, our YouTube channel and Java T-Point website will be good. Critical reasoning, India Bix, Geeks for Geeks, face prep and our channel. For abstract reasoning, India Bix, Topper website, our channel and face prep website. For pseudocode, face prep, Send Foundry and our channel. For common application, MS Office, test book, merit note and our channel. And for basically network security and cloud, Send Foundry website, face prep and our channel. For the section coding, you can solve a coding question on HackerRank, HackerEarth for practice, and you can solve questions on YouTube. So there is a free drive link, okay, with all of you. Lot of questions are available and these are actual previous year questions, okay. So you can solve, you have to solve on daily basis. This is a free preparation playlist. 16 videos are there, okay, with the cognitive revision, technical revision, okay, everything, communication assessment, okay, Accenture interview experience of selected candidate, everything we are sharing on our channel for free. One most important point that I have to mention, guys, this is the game of practice, okay. Accenture clearance is totally depends on your practice, so you have to solve more and more. For the first assessment, you have to solve more and more previous year question, and India Bix 1000 plus questions are there, okay. If I'm talk about the coding question, you can solve the previous year question of recent examination that will available on YouTube, easily available on YouTube. Communication assessment, you can check our video, so you can easily crack the communication assessment. For interview, check the selected candidate interview experience, okay, that is also available on our channel. So free preparations are there, and if you have any queries regarding Accenture examination, please mention in the comment section. And one most important point, again I am mentioning, if you are not aware about the mock test, system check and the SEB browser, okay, how to install and what are the exam guidelines, so you can check out this video. Otherwise I will come up with one video. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.